Pete and you're watching Feral Fabrications. Today we're going to have a go at cleaning some rubber off this paintwork using polish. It's just got a lot of black rubber marks on the paint from the semi-slicks and stuff flicking it up during racing. So the plan is to actually just buff that off and then protect the paint with some wax afterwards. I'll show you what I mean. So you can see I've just got a lot of black rubber that's flicked up all over this car and I need to remove it. Now I plan to just do this job by hand. I'm just going to use this turtle wax scratch and swirl remover. That'll get the rubber off, and once that's done I'll protect the paint with some turtle wax. So nothing else to do but get stuck in. All done. Took a fair bit of elbow grease, but got there in the end. The other reason I was doing this now is I need to protect the paint for what's coming next. Rust repairs. I can't put them off any longer. They need to be done. So that's what's coming up next. I hope you enjoyed this one. Nothing like a bit of visual motivation. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.